Now we will see the predictions of Sagittarius, that is Dhanusu Rasi. These Rasiwalas will undergo a happy time throughout this year, except for a few setbacks. They should take care of their health. Health grounds should be carefully taken care of because there are some ailments may be there. And with regard to other aspects like family, family life will be okay. They should be careful with regard to avoiding arguments with relatives, friends, even spouse, and then they can maintain a calm life. With regard to business also, for the first half year, they cannot expect very good results of profits. In the second half year, they can get enormous profits, and they can also think of enlarging their business in the second half year. And industrialists, the condition of the industrialists are also the same. And those who are working in the office are likely to get punishment transfers in the first half year, and they can also avoid it by their patience and tactful movements with the higher authorities. In the second half year, the period will be very much okay. They can get all the lost favorites. And with regard to the family life also, their life will be happy in the second half year. And ancestral properties also they can expect. They can maintain good health and stamina in the second half year. With regard to pariharas and all, they can go to the temple of Saturn and do the pariharas as told before. And with regard to the Jupiter's adverse movements during the first half year, they should worship the Lord of Dakshinamurti. That's